Let's face it, you probably started your own website design business so that you could have more free time, not less. Drowning in client projects or spending the rest of your time trying to secure the next ones is not really what you had envisioned. Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. Diversifying your revenue streams and sprinkling in some passive income is key, and selling website templates might just be the answer. As a website designer in today's super competitive digital world, you don't want to be just relying on one source of income, aka your clients, because this can be really risky. Like, what if you don't get your target number of client projects that 1 month and can't pay your bills? But it also limits your opportunities for growth as well. You've only got a certain number of hours a week that you can trade for money. Ideally, you want to have income coming in from a couple of different places at least. So if one doesn't quite do its thing, the other one will make up for it and vice versa. So let's talk about all of the reasons that I think you should consider selling website templates in your business. Number 1 is earning passive income. This is a no-brainer. Selling website templates allows you to generate relatively passive income, which, as I talk about a lot, is kind of what business dreams are made of. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, there is work involved. The hard yards are in number 1, creating your template designs. Although, to be honest, that part is actually pretty fun. And number 2 is marketing your templates to make sales, which can be a bit tough to get used to in the beginning, but once you get into the swing of it, it's 1000% worth it. Trust me. Okay, so the second reason is just having more freedom. So if you're anything like me, that's why you actually started your web design business in the first place. But you might be at a point where client work is slowly taking up all of your time. Selling website templates means your business can run and earn income without you. So that means that even if you are busy with client work or binging Netflix or at the beach or whatever you love to do and wish you had more time for right now, your bills will still be getting paid. Number 3 is actually growing your business, if this interests you. So no longer trading your precious time for money also leaves plenty of room for you to actually scale your web design business. Having more time means that you can spend it on things that will actually help your business grow rather than just keeping your head above the water. You'll be able to spend time reevaluating your processes, experimenting with new marketing methods, and working out more ways that you can make even more income. Selling website templates means you'll be able to actually work on your business and not just in it. My fourth reason, which is something that people don't often think about when they think about selling templates, but you're actually serving more people. So selling website templates also means that you'll be able to reach a wider audience beyond your current client base. If you've been a designer for a while, then you've probably come across a client that really wanted to work with you, but couldn't afford your services. Actually, it happens quite often. So creating website templates means that more people will have the opportunity to access your expertise and design skills at a much more affordable and accessible price. There's still going to be plenty of people who want your custom designs and will pay for your custom designs, but people who can't quite afford that yet will still have an option, which is awesome. So hopefully you can see now all of the reasons why I love selling website templates and how they can completely transform your web design business and life. If you want to keep learning about selling templates, we've got a ton of resources for you. Make sure to check out the links under this video as we've linked free trainings and resources there. Otherwise, check out this video. I think you'll enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe. We put out new videos every week, and I will see you in the next one.